Ok, pon las hojas. Mix it. Está el pollo, the green beans, the carrots, and albahaca. You want to try it? Okay, a little bit, okay? Try it. What happened?
Help me.
You want help? Okay, Papi help you. Low, it's hot. You like it?
Yes.
Oh, you did it. Give me 5.
Yes.
You cooked it.
Yes.
Say, when you're going to tell Mommy when she comes, Mommy, I cooked it.
Mommy cooked it.
Okay, we're going to turn it off to cool down, okay?
This one? Yes.
It's a tamarind soup.
Tamarind soup.
Yeah, con this one.
Yes.
Yummy, tamarind. Wait, we put enough already. Say bye-bye. Thank you for cooking with Junior.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Bye-bye.
That's the oil we took out. Yummy, delicious. Adrian is cleaning. Haha. Thank you, Adrian. Okay, you can cover it now. Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
This one?
I'm gonna move this out, okay? Because it's ready. It's cooked already. I don't want to overcook it.
Wow.
Okay. And there it is. Can you turn off the light? Puppy, do it. Here. And the fan? Turn off the fan. Where's the fan? Right here, on this side. And we're finished. 10 more minutes and we're gonna eat tamarind soup. You cooked it. Look it.
Wow. A
big soup, huh?
big soup.
That's the oil we took out. Yummy.
Yummy.
Puppy did that one.
So,
Adrian, thank you for cleaning. You wanna put it away in the fridge?
huh?
Put it away in the refrigerator, please. Thank you.
This one?
Yes. Thank you for helping. Oi, what happened? You stuck? You never have problems opening. Open. Oh. Hey. Clean, clean, clean. Go clean. The house is dirty. You cleaning? Thank you. Thank you, Adrián. Un besito. Un besito, Adrián. Let's go. Muy rápido usted.
Help, Papi, help.
What happened?
Help me.
Okay. Let me see. Okay. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Un beso. Un beso. Ahí va el besito. Oh, así no me gusta, me pegaste. Así sí. Así sí. No, papá, no. Un besito. ¿Qué pasó, Junior? Let me see. I'll do it. Here. Want me to fix it?
Oh no.
You don't know what? Look it up. Papi fix it. Wait. Oh, I'm too low. Which game do you want to play? You want basketball or you want bowling? You know what? You're good at the bowling.
Bowling. Yes.
Okay, I'll do that one, okay? Is that okay? Ok, Adrián, tú hiciste pupú. Ya vas a cambiar tu pamper, ¿ok? Junior, ¿quieres cambiar pamper de Adrián? Pero hizo pupú. Adrián hizo pupú. I don't want to change it. It takes all day. This thing. Wait, Papi gonna put bowling for you. Give me a second. No. Well, they don't have the bowling, but they have this one. Steel ball. Ok, ahí está. Adrián, mi Junior, aquí está. You gonna play? Come play. Here, take the remote. Not working. Yeah, I cannot do it. Here, you do it. Esa mano solo en el pipi pasa y después te lo pones en la boca. Estos cipotillos más bonitos que tengo. Cipote. Adrián. ¿Qué huele? Hoy me vas a dar un besito. Un beso. No. No beso, papi. What? ¿Me vas a morder? Uf, uf. Uf, uf. Uf, uf. Yes, I got kiss. Ajá. Oh, pamper. Ok, vamos a cambiar pamper. Cambiar pamper. I'm gonna go change pamper. Ya vengo, que este hizo pupú. Ok, vamos a cambiar pamper. Pamper, 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 pan. Agarra un pamper. Un pamper. Gracias. ¿Dónde están los wipes? ¿Dónde va el pamper? ¿Dónde va el pamper? ¿Aquí? Oh, Después vamos a comer. Comer sopa. ¿Qué hizo tu hermano? Ah. You ready? Come over here. Ah. 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 Ya el pamper. ¿Sí? Ese es de tu hermano. La leche de tu hermano. Ya no hay nada más ahí. Se la acabó. Oh. Oh. Oh, cuidado. No te golpees. El Beaver. Mr. Beaver. Dígale hola. Hola, Mr. Beaver. You sleeping, Mr. Beaver? Yes? Yes? You stood up and you went down. You did it. Do it again. The baby stand up. He stand up. Stand up again. Párese. Se paró así, liso, mira. Y pum, se fue para abajo otra vez. Mira, ahí va. Mira. Párese. Ay. No, Junior, déjalo. No. Suave, Junior. Suave, por favor. Suave, por favor. Por eso que él nunca se para. Tiene miedo que vos lo empujes. Hey. Wait, look. Junior, leave him. Leave him, Junior. He's gonna stand up by himself. Let him do it. Párese. Junior. Junior, be careful, please. Okay. Suave. No le pegues. Déjalo en paz, Junior. Déjalo. Be careful. Adrián. No le pegues. Okay, Junior, go down. Go play the game. I'm gonna change pamper. Okay, so go down so we can go eat. I gotta change pamper first. Adrián, a cambiar pamper. Okay, vamos. Véngase. Yeah. Ra. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Junior, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ah. Este travieso. Travieso. Okay, bye. Oh, now you say it. Bye. 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 You said it again. Un besito. ¿Qué un besito? Un beso. Un beso, papi. Okay, bye bye.